YouTube. This is Day with Real Time Trading. It's 8 a.m. Tuesday, July 9th, Eastern Time. This is just a little update for the last week. What's happened in this account? Fighting my way back to 5,000, more or less my starting balance. My stated mission is to come up with a somewhat easy options trading strategy that produces weekly income, somewhat consistent. I was a little weary of that last week when I made this video last Wednesday. Around this time last week, I was down about $400, $500. By the end of the day, over $500 down, $700 down in the last 2 days previously. So I was at the point to pull the plug if things continue down on Friday. Friday obviously opened down, so things moved up. I got rid of my spreads for that for last week. It was about right here. Got rid of my spreads around this point on Friday. My Friday spreads. These were the screenshots of my spreads before market open on Friday. One thing I noticed is the price that Robinhood gives for my spreads. I was taking screenshots of it every day, and it was not consistent with what the returns were saying on the top here. One day I calculated, it said like a gain, whereas up here at the top it showed a loss for the day. I also noticed once I sold those spreads that the numbers weren't adding up to what the screen says. So what I did is I'm making a spreadsheet so I can enter every price in and every price out to know exactly what the gains or loss is. And I did have a VIX insurance that didn't do too well. I had some other options. I tried moving my wings of the condor in closer that I was not able to get rid of at the end of the day, not even for $1. So ultimately, with all that added together, it came to about a $29 gain. It's pretty much chump change. Market is looking like it's going to open lower this morning. Qs are showing almost $1 down at market open this morning, Tuesday. I'll likely try to liquidate in these spreads, especially if they pass through the little 50-cent range here I have, where both sides will be out of the money. And we'll see how that goes today. So I don't know, no one can say what the next few days will bring. It looks like it's going to be going down, but I think I waited too long to hold the spreads last week, so now I'll try getting rid of them a little bit earlier. Right now they're showing up $104 for the three of them together. If volatility spikes and prices stay about where they are right now, I might open up another spread for July 26th or even start one for the week after that. My VIX insurance pops up today. I'll probably unload that for now. These VIX options seem like they're just always losing value. I know if you're going to have a market crash, that'd be good to have, but I don't know if I want to hold this too long. I think we're getting close to be under 30 days on this option. As far as Robinhood, that's the closest thing I can find to hedge against the volatility rising, because ultimately with these iron condors, you're shorting volatility. So I know it's not the exact hedge for the Qs, but I'm trying to keep things fairly easy that I can do. I'm on the move all the time. I don't want to have to be having a computer with a trading platform that I'm trying to connect internet to the computer. I was hoping to get a system that can work good on this Robinhood. I like how the Robinhood presents everything fairly easy. So that's where we're at right now. I'd like to post more regularly, especially if I'm going to be initiating or exiting a trade, but I got to take care of my assets. That's priority. I got a minor renovation on one unit to turn over for new tenants, and then I got another unit that I'm interviewing tenants, showing the place for future tenants. So plus with other work that's going on, I'm trying to do a lot of things. So I'd love to make these videos more regularly. Maybe with time I'll be able to do that. But right now this is where I'm at the last week, and I'll get back with you as soon as I can.